my name is Suzanne. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is just going to be a cozy autumn video. We had a weekend where we just kind of did a lot of fall things. So we made some pumpkin muffins, and then we went shopping at Target. Unfortunately, they didn't have a lot of fall stuff. They had Christmas more than anything. But we also went to a pumpkin patch and did some trunk or treating. And then at the end of the video, I'll show you how to make some white chicken chili, which is the perfect cozy fall dinner to have when the weather starts to cool down. So come along and enjoy a cozy fall weekend. We just got to Target and I'm just gonna run in. I wanted to get out of the house because it's chilly outside today. We've just been cooped up in the house for a while, so I was really wanting to get outside and just look around Target and see what they had and look at the fall stuff. But I'm pretty sure by now, because it's October 30th or 29th, I'm pretty sure they have Christmas stuff out now. So we'll just look around, see what we can find, maybe get a coffee, and then head back home. So we're all done at Target. I got my coffee. It's just a pumpkin cream cold brew. That's my favorite to get this time of year because I usually like the chai tea latte as well. But this is just the one pumpkin drink that I think I really enjoy. So I grabbed one, and Lucy got some Play-Doh. Yeah, just got a couple things. I had so much Christmas stuff, and it was really, really difficult not to buy anything, especially in the dollar spot, because I just love shopping there for any decorations. It's all really well made, and it's like $5 or less, so you really can't beat that. I wanted an advent calendar. That's one thing that I really want to get this year because I don't have just like a really nice advent calendar. I have a few that are paper or cardboard, but I want to have one that I can use year after year, and they actually have quite a few that are $10 or less, and they had a couple in the dollar spot, but I don't think I'll buy one just yet. I probably will kick myself for waiting, but I'm gonna hold off a little bit longer for the Christmas stuff, and then maybe I'll do a shop with me and attempt to go back to Target if I can find a sitter for the girls. Now we're going to head back home and get ready to make dinner. Later on tonight, we're going to do trunk or treat and a pumpkin patch. So I will show you how that goes as well. Let me see it. Got it?
With Daddy.
Alright, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy white chicken chili for dinner. You're just going to need 4 different cans of whatever your favorite beans are. I like to use chickpeas, cannellini beans, and Great Northern or navy beans. You'll need 2 cans of diced green chilies, about half of a yellow onion, and then however much garlic you prefer. I usually do about 4 cloves. You'll need at least 2 to 3 containers of chicken broth, and then for seasonings you'll want some cumin, some salt and pepper, and then just some oregano. It's chili, so you could also put chili pepper in it, but we don't like ours that spicy, so I didn't. I also shredded a rotisserie chicken breast instead of cooking chicken, but you could definitely cook your chicken as well and shred that. I just went the easier route and purchased a cooked rotisserie chicken and shredded that. First, we're going to start by chopping our yellow onion, and then we're going to cut up our garlic cloves. Whenever I cut up garlic, I use my little handheld chopper. It's so convenient. I purchased it on Amazon, so I will link it down below. I've used it for several months now, and it just makes chopping garlic and herbs so much easier, especially if you have quite a few that you need to cut up. So I'm just going to peel them and pop them in my chopper and get those diced as well. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my Dutch oven and turn it on to about medium heat. And then as that's getting heated up, I'm going to open all my cans of beans. It's so easy when they have the pop top. I'm also going to open up my chilies and have those ready as well. That way when my pot is heated up, I have everything all set to go and I won't have to take time doing it later. It's the only thing that tells me I'm breathing. Once my oil is ready, I'm going to add in my yellow onions and my garlic and cook that down for just a few minutes so that the onion is soft. Now we will dump in our cans of chilies. You can definitely use 1 if you don't like the extra spice. I just prefer 2 for a little bit more flavor. And once we add those in, we will stir that. And then we're going to add in our spices too. So we've got our cumin, our oregano, and then this is also where you would add in your chili powder or any other spices that you might enjoy in a chili. Now it's time to add in all of our beans and our chicken broth, and then you pretty much just stir everything together, and I let it cook for about 20 minutes on a medium heat.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready. Autumn comes too soon.
After about 15 to 20 minutes, you can remove the lid and give it a stir, and it should be ready to eat. You pretty much just want the beans to cook enough to where they're soft and the chicken is soft. And once that happens, you can dish it up. I like to top mine with a little bit of cheese, and then I also put some Greek yogurt on it because I feel like that is the taste of sour cream without all the extra fat. So I recommend topping yours with that too. I also put cilantro, but I didn't have any this time, but that's very, very good as well. And that is a cozy fall dinner.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Alright, I think I'm going to close out the vlog here and get Lucy ready for bed. We didn't take a nap, we went shopping, we went trick-or-treating, and we did pumpkin patches. So it's been a really long weekend. I'm gonna snuggle up with some chai tea and hocus pocus. Have a nice cozy night, and I hope you all have a good night, and I will see you in the next video.
Gold hair, gold ring.